After all the other new parts like spark plugs, distributor cap, rotor arm, the battery, I also want to give Mobi a little bit of a service, so I'm going to change the oil and oil filter, and I also have an air filter, and we'll get rid of the squeaky belt for the alternator. I think this one is a better fit. It's right at the limit of its adjustment at the moment, and this one looks a bit tighter. There's one little job I want to still do on the carburetor. I mentioned it before. There's a little lever at the back here that applies a little bit of throttle when the choke is pulled, and this helps the car during warm-up, and it's supposed to just slot in through there, but unfortunately there's some sort of a clip or something that's missing, and the best thing I can think of to do is to actually put a tiny little spot of weld on the end of that, and then it can't slide off. So I'll disconnect the battery and we'll get the MIG out and do a quick little spit on that. I'll just rub that down a bit with a file. There we go, fixed on. So unlike when Vauxhall pulled the choke on that first day and nothing actually happened under the bonnet, now it's working well. And if you heard there when I pulled the cable, you could hear the engine's revs rise. That was without any throttle on from the inside. So that's working nicely now. So Mobi should start up and warm up more evenly now without having to apply throttle. The engine's warmed up a little bit, so that should be just right for doing this. And nice to find an oil filter that's not wound on to the absolute maximum. Bit of fresh oil on the filter ring. Help seal it. I actually got this drain plug in a French supermarket on the way back from Berlin the last time, in Jena. I was just so impressed to see it in an ordinary shop. I bought it. Top it up there now. I think this engine takes about 3 litres. Alright, let that settle in it now and see. I'll put on a new alternator belt while I'm waiting for the oil to settle. I'll keep that in the car under the seat or something as a spare, just in case. That's great, that's putting us back in about the middle of the adjustment on the alternator. This will be one less little squeak from the car and a rattle. Cool. Alright, that's just about there. And I'll check it again in the morning, see how it's settled. I can always top it up another little bit. It's always a good feeling getting fresh oil into a car. Air filter now. I know it's not the right air intake box for this carburetor on this engine, but we've managed to get the right filter for it anyway, and get it breathing fresh. That's been there long enough. The air filter went to Germany, I think. You know me from the past, I like to take off the coil lead and crank the car until it gets oil pressure. There we go. We have oil pressure. Sounds sweet.